Yay! I'm just gonna record one battle.
Okay, after this.
Wait, show them the secret.
Okay. Yeah, I think you have to do this a lot. You could do it. He's sand cat. His new cat, apparently.
Special cat. Oh, you got zombie cat.
No, I don't got him. I'm wanted by him.
Oh. Well, you still got him there.
Who is that?
Panties cat. A cat that's wearing panties.
I don't know what panties
Wow.
are though. Kitty.
Let me zoom on on that cat. Oh, he's gone. The battle begins. Kitty. Yes.
Zoom in on that anime.
Look at that beautiful anime. I like anime. From now on, I'm gonna make some anime videos if I can. But I'm mostly gonna start recording videos of me getting hurt. Actually not getting hurt, okay? No, I'm just kidding. I'm actually gonna get hurt.
Okay.
Look at that anime cat.
Look at that Doge on the bottom. Trap cat.
Man, look at your money just going up. Upgrade.
He's saying upgrade me.
Upgrade.
No.
Oh, I just spent your money.
Oh yeah, you did. But
Upgrade.
stop.
Well, it's gonna be better.
No, it's not. Okay. Let me say one for these or I'm dead.
Well, guess what? If you buy that 1,500 one,